What's up, you guys? Do not mind me. I just took my eyelashes off. I'm looking like a naked mole rat, but we are about to show you how to make adobo today. Just cutting off the excess skin. You don't need all that fat. You guys can talk. You can talk. Hi, Mom. We got our mom on the phone in case we need some guidance.
Hannah needs your help.
Hey, Hannah. Hannah's always needing my help. All stuck here. Wow. Yeah.
What are you guys doing tomorrow? Oh, shopping, huh?
Ooh.
No, I just want to see that Lululemon store.
I love that store.
Yeah.
You love shopping.
I just got a mat, a yoga mat. It was like $115, but I have to use it every day.
Huh?
I got a yoga mat. It was like $115.
Oh, okay.
For a yoga mat?
Yeah, it's supposed to last for a long time, so I guess. I'm gonna cry.
You're gonna order Jollibee right now, really?
Yeah, I want Jollibee.
Oh my gosh. Mom, I was literally, I was craving that today. Oh my God.
When you guys leave Sunday, I buy you 2 buckets.
Yes.
What
I
the-
can't
They open at 9 o'clock now.
Oh my goodness, I might have to pick it up myself. So today I posted on my Instagram that they actually voted the best chicken in United States.
Yeah, yesterday we ate ramen.
Mm.
Good thing I bought some ramen for to go. I didn't know Malta was coming.
Oh, they love that Japanese food.
Yeah. And then
Dude,
I
Hannah,
think
what
she
the
took
fuck?
it for lunch. She'd rather eat the wonton shrimp I buy at Costco.
Oh, that sounds hecka good too. I love shrimp wonton. Oh, you're gonna eat chicken. Oh, I can't wait to see you eat the chicken. Did you see my story I posted on Instagram?
Yeah.
The best chicken? Are you kidding me? I was like, I might have to drive to what is this, Irvine or I don't know, Ontario. But I didn't. And the chef now is gonna cook.
I know.
Look at him.
We'll make kari kari when you guys get here.
Oh,
Yes.
that's the best.
So what's the measurement, babe?
I just do a 1/3 cup.
I like your soy sauce.
1/3 cup.
1/3 cup of soy sauce.
Man, I got a ton of soy sauce and vinegar still here from last year.
Yeah.
And then a third of vinegar.
They're not gonna
You're gonna do the same measurement.
No way.
Yeah, we're running out. No more.
There's no way.
Okay.
Really?
Banana ketchup, the Jupra.
But why?
Uh-oh.
They stopped for now.
Oh.
No
man.
way. They're just gonna raise the prices. That's why.
I guess we're gonna do the same thing with sriracha. In goes the onions.
Onions, vinegar, soy sauce, 1/3 cup each.
Uh-huh.
And then onion, garlic, tomato, bay leaf, and a ton of pepper. You're done.
Very simple, guys, but it is so good. That's all you really need.
You put
She's exposing your recipe, man.
huh?
She's exposing your recipe.
I know you are.
They might ask you for your signature. You might go famous.
Paula's gonna be famous now on YouTube.
Atching Edna's recipe. Look how pretty it looks already.
I know. Look at that. Lots of garlic,
Oh, you have to.
and then lots of black pepper.
The black pepper, this one that he has is spicy.
Yeah.
because it's more coarse.
I had some, and I was like, oh, this is a different kind of black pepper. It's so
Yeah.
big.
Bay leaves.
Bay
Bam.
leaf.
Bay leaves.
Yummy.
Mm-hmm. And then,
And then,
sir?
how was the adobo rice? Is it good yet?
Oh yes, it
Which
was
one?
good. I'd rather eat that one. Yeah, that one's good. The adobo rice, babe.
Oh, at Jollibee?
Yeah.
I think it's good.
There's also some black pepper, the coarse kind. It's huge.
Costco, you guys get that or Sam's Club?
Sam's Club.
Oh, is it different?
It's thicker. It's coarse.
Oh, really?
Spicy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring you some. You want?
I have some in here. I just bought some at Costco.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then he goes to the cooking it. And then, babe, what else do you do?
You just let it simmer. That's it.
That's it. You don't
Let
even
it
have
simmer
to.
on medium. Don't even touch it.
Don't even touch it, guys. So you could probably do this in your sleep. And we will check on it in about how many minutes?
Give it like 15, 20 minutes.
All
Let
right.
it start to boil, and then just kind of mix it around for both sides to get good.
Okay, we'll catch you guys in about 20 minutes. Guys, in about 15 minutes, you flip it, mix it up so that it can have all the flavors, right, babe?
Give them all a flip. That way all sides get simmered.
Okay. It looks so good already. Look how juicy that chicken looks. We're over here watching Martha Stewart. Yep, our tree is already up. Hi, Hannah. Hi, Gigi. Did you find any? Nothing? Okay. Guys, that adobo is done. We're gonna pack it. Ooh, it smells so good. Let me just give you a little sneak peek. Meat first, then the soup. A little bit of soup comes with it. It's okay. And have you guys seen Martha Stewart? This is given Martha Stewart, but I didn't cook it. It's embarrassing. That is truly. Don't worry about the bruise. I got a massage, and the lady just did a great job. I like deep tissue. Look how big that is. Daniela and Justin will love this. And their kids, Daniela and Odie. I'm gonna leave me like 3 pieces. 'Cause I gotta eat too. You love the sauce, like you dip your stuff in there. That is it. Already got them the rice. Woo! It's like a restaurant delivered to them. You know? You gotta appreciate your neighbors. Can you imagine if we were your neighbors? Yeah. This would be what you would get. Well, if you're a good neighbor. No pun intended. Hey babe, thanks for cooking. Say hello.
Enjoy.
You're back. Let us know what else you want to see for the recipe. Some authentic Filipino food. We do it all.